Hi, I'm Pamela and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how we ask questions in Bulgarian and what are the question words in our beautiful and wonderful language. To start with, probably the most important question, why? Защо? Then, when we want to ask where, the word is къде. And if we want to ask how, the word is как. Also, we want to ask who when we want to know the identity of somebody, or please note something. In Bulgarian, who and which are the same words, but specific here is that we have different genders for these words. So we use кой when we want to know who or which, and we have a masculine word. Then we want to use коя if we have a feminine word. Who or which for neutral is кое, and then the plural кои. So if we have all plural forms, regardless of living, breathing or non-living, breathing things, objects, creature, doesn't matter, we will always use кои. For example, коя книга четеш? Which book are you reading? Коя е тази жена? Who is this woman? It doesn't matter which word you use afterwards, as long as it is feminine gender, we use коя. Same with neutral, plural, and so on. And similar situation when we ask about qualities. The word for what type, what kind, what variety is какъв for masculine, каква for feminine, какво for neutral, and какви for plural. For example, какъв сладолед обичаш? What ice cream do you love? Or каква музика харесваш? What music do you like? And these questions don't ask a particular brand or don't ask about a name of a person. They ask for a quality. And then when we want to know how many or how much, about quantity, the question word is колко. And we can have колко пари имаш, how much money you have, or колко ябълки искате, how many apples do you want, and this time колко is always колко. Do you have any other questions that you would like to know? Do these words confuse you? What questions do you want to ask in your everyday life in Bulgarian? Comment below, and if you struggle with anything connected with the Bulgarian language, we are here to help you. So, like, comment, subscribe, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.